You've never been here.
Well, I never go out, so.
That's right. He's always staying in his room. Do you know that? Yes, that's the revelation.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. We are here again, and we are off to another adventure.
Yes.
You'll figure out what we're gonna do next, but first things first, you need coffee. Of course, you need your coffee, huh?
Yes.
What are you getting?
Getting my visa.
No, what did you order?
Oh, my order? It's medium. Medium coffee. There. That's right.
Seeing how much it costs.
That's okay.
We are on our way to Hyde Park, which is a park, and the cherry blossoms are out. We were told that the leaves are slowly falling, so we're just gonna go take advantage, enjoy, maybe have a little picnic. We will see you guys there later. Alright, we are here at Hyde Park Station. We just got off, and we're about to get ready to go and see the cherry blossoms. But unfortunately, we're not ready to go yet because of this. She is putting on her makeup. Really? Seriously? You need to put on your makeup?
I'm just gonna put some lipstick.
You know, the train ride here, she has been putting on makeup because she kept complaining about how I'm so ugly, I'm so ugly. But you know what? I got a problem because you are not ugly. You are beautiful just the way you are. Did you know that?
Really?
You need to believe that. You need to believe in yourself that you are beautiful. This is just my opinion. I believe that Filipinas are one of the most beautiful women in this world. You know why?
Really?
You know why I say that?
Why?
Because I've seen a lot of women in my lifetime, and it seems to me that Filipino women are the only women, well, most of them, they can look beautiful without makeup.
Really?
Yes.
Does it mean that I don't need to really do it well?
Yes,
I don't
and that
have
also
my thing.
and that also means that you're just killing time because we need to see the cherry blossoms. Them blossoms are falling. There's another train coming. It's gonna be too loud. All right, we gotta go.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna show to them my makeup. It's what do you think?
What? I can't hear you. It's too loud.
Okay, let's go.
What?
Can you stop that? Can you stop that
Can it what?
one? Stop shouting.
Okay, I'm gonna say this. I can't tell the difference between when we left to go here and now. I don't know if it's my man eyes or I'm really just I just have that lack of attention to detail. But the point is we gotta go and we're late.
Okay, we're late.
All right, ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's continue our journey.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Okay, so we're outside and we have to walk all the way. Is it this side?
Hey, let's talk.
Sorry. Okay, we go this side. So guys, that's all. But look at this. I like this one. Look. Ta-da!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of flowers in here around, you know.
I feel like by the time we get to see the cherry blossoms, they're all gonna fall. and they're all gonna be gone because
Okay, why am I wearing mask?
you're stopping to look at all the other nature that's nearby.
There are so many flowers in here, like at the side of the street. So I just
Not
love
really.
it.
I just see like trees and bushes.
Okay, fine, just bushes. So I'll see you later, okay?
We'll see you later.
Okay, we'll see you later. Sorry, I forgot you. I
Is it
forgot
just
you.
Is
It's
it
just
is it a
me.
Just you show?
Well, you always thought you'd always forget me, so. Okay, I'll see you. I mean, we'll see you. We'll see you.
Again. Did it again.
I'll see you. Okay, so we are now at High Park. At Tulips.
Before you proceed,
What?
there's a sign. It says please stay out.
I'm not getting in.
You're
What are
going
you
to get
talking
in. I know you are. Look
about?
at the sign. Look at the sign.
I'm not getting in. Look
the
at that. Please stay out of the gardens.
Yes.
I'm staying out.
You're gonna.
I want to show it
I
to
need
them
to
how
monitor you.
beautiful it
I need
is.
to monitor you.
Look at that. It's a red one.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
yes.
What?
They are so beautiful. They are more beautiful than you.
Okay, that's
Oh,
fine.
fine. Okay, that didn't get you. Huh? All right. Here's the map. Here's the map.
Okay, here's the map. I'll show you the map.
All right. So we're here. We need to go here.
Oh, going
We need to
this
walk all the way here.
That
This
way.
is Cherry Hill. So
Cherry Hill.
go to the right and then stay on West Road.
Okay.
All right.
And you see that one? That's the map. Okay.
Oh, it's a little bit of green.
Oh, I see.
Still looks nice. But I'm gonna, because you know what? We were actually here like 3 years ago,
Yes.
and I had to confess something. Our little cherry blossom experience, I was kind of upset because I thought this was it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We only
But,
took our pictures here.
yeah, but it was also rainy and it was cold.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look at the ground.
I
You're
know.
telling me that you want to collect all
There are
these?
some petals.
I know. You even ate some of them.
I know, don't tell
They
them.
are big.
It's so good. No, I'm not I'm joking.
Let's
It's not good, it's okay.
go to the real place.
Yeah,
Okay?
real place. So this is like a fake one. No? What is this then?
A preview.
Oh, a preview. I
A
see.
fake one.
A
It's
fake-
not fake to me.
Because there's a real one.
Alright.
Okay.
It's just like 2 trees.
2 trees only.
Like 2, 3 trees, but the one that we're going to is more picturesque.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go. And it's better because now there's they're at school. People are at work, people are at school, but for us, we have the opportunity to see it with less people, less crowds, and we can take better photos
Yeah, because it's not working at this
on the sidewalk.
time.
On the sidewalk.
Whoop. That's... Oh.
So yes, we are entering uncharted territory. I have never been to this part of Hyde Park.
You've never been here.
Well, I never go out, so.
That's right. He's always staying in his room. Do you know that? Yes, that's the revelation I want to tell you. Always staying in his room.
Well, can you blame me? I have everything in my room.
Oh my goodness.
And now that I have a wife, now I really have everything in my room.
Really? And so that's why you just want me to be inside the room too? I'm gonna die.
Well, you're hurt, and you need to rest, and you need to, but
That's true.
we do go to like dance, and we are out in nature.
Yes.
And guess what? It's my day off from work, and I'm not staying in my room. I'm actually going out with you.
Congratulations.
Why?
Yeah.
Because I care about you.
Ooh. Did you hear that? He cares about me.
Grabe naman.
Ooh, grabe naman.
Ooh,
Naku
talagang
naman.
grabe. Sobrang bango.
Oh, what is bango-bango then?
I have no idea.
How come? I told you that.
I just saw it in a commercial. And I was just
Oh yeah,
like,
what is it again?
she like
commercial
drank
is
a
that?
coffee. She's like, wow, ang bango. It's like a really old commercial.
She drinks a coffee. I think that was a soap commercial.
No, I think it was.
I think she smelled it.
No, she drank like some sort of like new brand of coffee or something.
Oh, I see.
And then
Okay.
she's just like, wow, ang bango. She said it with like the clearest English accent I've ever heard.
Oh yeah. Oh, I remember you say something the soap. What is that again?
Soap?
Yeah, like
No,
you
that's a
know,
song.
I know. Yeah, like how is it again? That's what
that-
I was thinking.
Finally, areas happened to me. One was queen sa laba, and it's just 750.
Ooh.
You gotta do the neck bob.
Oh, it has to be that.
You gotta,
Neck.
you gotta,
Ooh,
yeah, you
I
gotta
don't
shake
know
your
how
neck
to
like
do that. I see.
Well, you can't because of your accident.
Oh yeah, I have a whiplash and concussion, and so I really get dizzy.
There's this other commercial that my cousin was talking about. Like he went to the Philippines like 20 years ago,
Yeah, that's a
And
cherry blossom there. Okay.
and this guy he like ran up with like a little piece of like candy. Like he just ran up to the screen. He's like, "Kape kape talaga."
What is that?
I don't know.
What? Copy? What?
He's like, "Kape kape talaga."
Is that a candy?
Yeah, it's like a coffee candy or something.
Kopi Ko.
No, coffee candy.
I know it is called Kopi Ko.
We'll see.
Kopi candy, Kopi Ko.
We'll
That's the one.
see if we can find like a clip or an image or something.
Yeah, but I know that's Kopi Ko. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to walk far. Do you want to say something
Keep
more?
walking.
We have to walk more. A
Mhm.
lot of walking. Is it 10 minutes walk? It's a big park.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll see you there later.
Yes.
See you.
Alright, we're finally here. We made it. And guess what? So much better than the place that we went last time.
That's right.
Sure.
I will show it to them.
Oh, there's no cherry blossoms here.
Just
Oh,
there.
wait, I see a, yeah.
What do you see?
I see a duck over there.
Oh, you mean geese? You see geese.
Is it a geese? A goose?
Ducks go quack quack quack. But gooses go honk.
Oh my goodness, that's so loud in my ear.
Well, that's the goose. They go honk. Go honk honk honk.
Is that their sound?
Yeah. Honk.
Oh my gosh. It's so very
Ugly.
like ugly.
Well, actually, my friend, the way he does goose sounds, he goes oh oh oh.
Okay.
Yeah, not honk. Not ah. Oh 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 oh.
What about the duck?
Quack 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 quack.
Matt?
You know, there's a different register. Man, my hair is just going everywhere today.
Hello. Hi. What? What did you say?
It's like, leave me alone.
Oh, sorry. Leave me alone. I'm eating the grass.
See, look, you got geese, you have a duck, and over there's a swan.
So like, oops, where is it? Oops. Okay, excuse me. Is it gonna like catch you or something?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure the swan's just trying to eat.
Oh, look at this duck. Hello.
Yeah, because they're throwing bread. He wants some food.
Oh, I see. Oh,
There's
Oh.
another one.
there's another, his friend. No, his girlfriend. Oh, wow, he's being well fed.
He is hungry.
He's so hungry. Wow, look at that. He's enjoying his food.
Look at his neck, it's so long.
I know. See that? You see that goose?
See the what?
You see that goose?
I mean, that?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah,
A
that.
swan.
Oh, a swan! Oh my goodness. So what's the difference of a goose and a swan?
Wait,
What's the difference of a goose and a swan?
so is it out
Hey.
right now to like...
You wanna take a picture with him?
No?
He might like pet you. It's like looking. Oops.
Oh man. It's a wild animal. Respect them. Aww.
Okay, say hi to him. He's looking.
I think he's trying to...
He's looking for food.
He's wondering where all that magical bread
Magical bread
like that's
came
being
from.
that's being like that fell to the ground. All right, guys. So we're just about done here in the park because unfortunately we have another appointment to get to.
Yes.
So we are going to get something to eat, maybe.
Yeah, we are going there. I mean, yes, we're going to eat and then, but before that, we have to go for my doctor's appointment.
Right.
So we have-
Yeah, we're gonna see you guys in a bit. Don't
See you
mind the
guys.
people in the background. There's a lot of sexy ladies taking
Sexy
pictures.
ladies.
Yeah, this is a model alley.
But yeah, so I'll see you. We'll see you. Bye.
All right, take care.
Take care.